Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will give a 3 site updates and tell you about the two free sites. The first site is multimine.io. This site is withdrawn in pending now and yet not found. Second site comes straight. This site also withdrawn in pending. And third site, House of Bank. This site is 100% paying. First, to create an account, click on registration button and write on username, email, password and repeat password. After create an account, one car is sign up bonus. With this car you will be earned and you will be able to take it for free. I am no investment in this site and withdraw for free. Click on my taxes. When you reach amount is 1 ruble, collect amount and add is your main balance. Minimum investment in this site 10 ruble and hourly earning 0.0027 and second plan 99 ruble, hourly earning 0.0357 ruble. Before withdraw you need to confirm your email. Confirmation link, send your email address and click on confirm mail or below link. My email is successfully confirmed and I am withdraw from this site without investment. My earning is 7.66. Click on auto payment and write pair wallet address and write on actual amount. 7.58 will we get that much money and also proof 7.58 instant previous site and 6.96 withdraw of FF original. This site is also double site. Click on registration button and also write on all information in this box: username, email, password, confirm password and pair wallet address, captcha fill. After create an account, click on daily bonus. This bonus silver will be added in purchase bonus. Increase your earning, click on Sentinel Nursery which will increase your earning. Purchase your item. I have one line. The more things you have, the more money you will be have. And after exchange in withdraw balance through the trade shop, collect all amount and click on trade shop. Through this option, all amount will be changed in withdraw balance. Can easily withdraw free from this site. And this is my referral link. If you want more than that, through the surface option, wait few seconds and fill up captcha same numbers. Click on same number. Look at the ad and make money. Earn money for free from here every day and also withdraw on daily basis.